Hi guys, here I am again for another vlog. Did you miss me? Napakita ko lang po sa inyo kung paano magpatibay ng wiring connectors. Magpatibay ng wiring ay kukonektan nyo dito sa ganitong klase ng connector na hindi gumagamit ng soldering iron. Okay? Sa vlog na to ay ipapromote ko lang po sa inyo pati ang paggamit ng aluminum tape. Okay? Instead of using soldering iron, we will use aluminum tape instead of soldering iron. So nakita niyo po, naputol to ng kusa. Kahit kita natin na meron siyang counting soldered points. So ngayon, here I go. Okay. Okay, we need to cut it first. From here, there, and then we strip it off. Like so. There. Okay. Alam po natin lahat na meron siyang kalambutan, substandard, and all that stuff. Bakit? Well, it's Taiwanese or Chinese made or whatever made. Okay? Alam natin lahat may kahinaan sila. Okay? Pero, don't worry. Ngayon, patitibayan natin sila. Using this aluminum tape. Okay. Kot-kotin lang hanggang sa makuha ang dulo. Right there. See? Okay. Right here. Okay. Pero mas maigi po kung tutwist natin siya para mas tumigas ang quantity ng wiring niya. Okay lang po siya na mahaba. Okay. Pwede po natin siyang itupi. Like so. And then twist it. Like so. Okay. Problem solved, right? Oh, yeah. Then, aluminum tape. Okay. Yan, aluminum tape. Ang kagandahan po sa aluminum tape is, syempre, obviously, madikit siya. At, mas matigas na ngayon ang dulo dahil sa kapal ng aluminum tape na nilagay ninyo. Okay. We do the same thing on the second side. Okay. Twist. All that. Then bend. Tate. And twist it again. Like so. And then it's ready for aluminum tape. Okay, same procedure. Oh, this one. Okay, sorry. Okay. Just have to be patient. So I guess. Okay. Mas matigas, mas solid, mas safe. Okay. Hindi mo kailangan gamitan ng soldering iron. Soldering gun. Put it all in there. All the way in as much as you can. Okay, be sure na walang nag-i-stop sa'yo. Do your thing. Okay. There, see? All good. Then you push it all in. Screw it all in. There. Solid. Bend it if you have to. Mas magandang tingnan. See? Mas malinis tingnan. Same procedure on the other side. Oh yeah. I forgot. May cover pa nga pala to. And again, that's it. We're done. Okay. The hell. I actually forgot to put the cover of this extension wiring. Okay. No worries. Nothing to be afraid of. Do the same procedure. There. Cover. Put both in there. And procedure. In the hole. Okay. All the way in. Repeat in. Okay guys. Repeat in. Drag it all in there. There, see? And push it all in, screw it in. That's it. And put the cover in. And we're done. Okay. So, ayan. Ito na po, kabuuan niya. Test now. See? So good. Switch it up. Switch it on. Switch it up. Perfect. Now we have a working piece of stuff. Okay. Ganyan po ang technique para mas tumibay ang wiring na alam nating substandard. Okay? No harm done. It's all good. So, yeah, let's call it a day. Goodbye.